Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Transit. From any screen here, you've got audio, phone, mobile apps and settings. You'd think you're perhaps going to phone, but you go into settings, you find Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth. You see there, add a Bluetooth device or view devices. Also, you've got Bluetooth on and off switch there. So that's off. So if you're having trouble at all pairing your mobile, or you can't find it, won't pick it up, do the same procedure. Go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is switched on, like so. Anyway, back to deleting the device. So view devices, click on view devices, and you've got there Barry's iPhone 12. If I click on that, then you've got the option to disconnect, make favorite, or delete. I want to delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, yes. Now it was saying there disconnect. That's because it was still connected via Bluetooth, so I'm just going to delete that. Forget this device, forget. That's it. So that's how to delete a mobile.